Today I'm in the 4700 block of North Leavitt, and this neighborhood is sort of right in between, or where we're at, sort of right in between Lincoln Square and Ravenswood. We're between Damon and Western, a little bit south of Lawrence, in a junior one-bedroom apartment. Heat is included, hot water is included. It's got a nice ceiling fan in it. This is your main room. Your front door is right here to the left. This is the living room. It's a nice bright apartment, faces south, or this window faces south, so I guess the windows on the other side would face north. Here's the bedroom. It's got a pretty good bit of windows, nice wood floors, and a really nice ceiling fan. This room would hold a queen-size bed, no problem. And looking back out at the living room, it's where we started on that far wall. Really nice kitchen. It's got 42-inch cabinets, espresso shaker cabinets. Nice stove with a window on the front of it, or a glass door. Stainless steel appliances. There's your dishwasher. On the other side of the kitchen you have more cabinets. A really large refrigerator. You got stainless steel pulls. Kind of back up into here. Just a granite countertops. A really nice deep sink. Here's looking back at the living area. And this would have been where a Murphy bed probably was at one time. Now it's just a really big closet. It's a deep closet also. And leaving there and going into the bathroom area, you have another closet that you could use. Either as a linen closet or an entry closet. The bathroom does have modern lights. Nice surround tile, nice floor tile, nice espresso seat with a stone countertop. A little bit of a medicine cabinet there. And one more look at the main living space. You're a couple of blocks from a few blocks from the Damon Brown Line stop. Not that far from the Marianos at Ravenswood and Lawrence.